Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto E13. You need to start by opening Play Store on both smartphones. Now click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, choose exactly the same on both devices. I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Following that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of this Motorola and Receive at the bottom next to Send on Motorola Moto E13. Also on E13, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Motorola smartphone. On it, you can finally tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. This way, you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. You can also just click on some of them. I will go with this one. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Finally, select the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, click on this scanning icon on E13. Choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And point your device's camera at this code. You can also input this key over here by tapping on Input Key section and typing in all of those digits. When you're ready, you can connect by tapping on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!